with adjustable slot and crease tools in their parked position. Two heads parked on one side, and you'll notice the anvils are missing so that the knives don't cut the anvils up. Parked on the other side, and that's where they stay whilst you use normal plywood dies. These are all the adjustable elements of the slotting tools, the flared safe edge knives and the creasing modules. The tools themselves are compound heads slotted to take the creasing modules and the slot knives and split so they can be removed from the machine if you run full width corrugated board. The creasing modules are cast aluminium segments with the sour shouldered creasing profile in a variety of lengths that you just drop into the creasing heads to fill in the gap. Small ratchet tool is used, and there's Allen keys. You can see the clock on the top right hand corner. It's 5 minutes to 1, and we'll start the set now. That's Jason, our factory manager, doing the setup. Normally we'd have two operators setting a whole rotor cut, and all the jobs required would be done between the two. But right now we're just showing you the dedicated slot set. Placing the trailing slot knives in position right now. Little expanding lock key holds that in position. Now the creasing modules enter a little recess manufactured in the top and run down the groove. These modules are made in different lengths, and we try just only to put an approximate number in. It doesn't matter if they're loose. The creases, you cannot tell from a crease. Perfectly acceptable. As you can see, it's not heavy work. These are precise tools and they give a beautiful finished job. So a little bit of care when you're setting up. We have found it is the habit that people use these slot and crease tools, particularly when they get the first order and they're weaning people off ragged slots and loose laps. And if the order repeats, then for the cost of $600 or $700 or £300 or £400, a dedicated die form makes the set just 2 or 3 minutes. So there comes a point at which when a job repeats, you would want to be looking at a dedicated die form. Many customers like C.L. Conyers in the United Kingdom, Midland Box, run a very large amount of work through using these RSC tools. Now you can index this drum around using the servo drive. With the guard up, we're in a set mode, so the buttons on the left hand side allow us to index the cylinder back and forward. Now although Jason runs the factory and the engineering here, he's probably only set these tools 5 or 6 times, and we really wanted you to see that it's just a matter of planning the job carefully and going about it in a systematic manner. Now these are the clamp locks for the slot head positions on the drum, and they are measured along a metric bar key on the top of the drum. We supplied these compound slot and crease heads for the first time in 1999, and pretty well every rotocut that's gone out has been equipped with these. We're quite surprised how popular flared safe edge slots on regular slotted boxes are. Produces a quality product. On the right hand side you can see the combination lap cutting, slotting and creasing. And of course the great advantage to using serrated knives is that you don't get lap hang up. Clean and 100% stripping is what we do with this tool. Checking the position. Seven minutes, complete set. Now without a board in the machine you can hear the creasing modules sliding in the slots, just taking up the play and the gap. Remarkably, the gap between the modules makes no difference to the creasing quality. I'll show you a sample. Okay, we're just running it up to show you. Okay, now look at this. Nice safe edge. Can't cut yourself. Flared, beautiful creasing on every one, beautiful clean lap. That's what the adjustable tool is all about. Good result.